Okay, YouTube, we're greasing the front drive shaft on my 2014, or I'm greasing the front drive shaft of my 2014 Ram 2500. If we look on front driver's side fender here, you'll see a sticker. Gives the part number as to what grease Mopar suggests. I opted not to use their grease, and instead of using some John Deere equipment grease I had on hand. My choice, not saying if you're doing this that you should follow suit as far as warranty concerns, but I don't foresee myself having any problems, so hell with it. I had to pick up a needle type fitting in order to get at the grease fitting on the drive shaft. It was about $8 or something like that, as I recall. Got it on Amazon. It's a Lincoln product model 5803. And then once we get underneath the truck, if you look at the back side or rearward end of the front drive shaft, turn it along, because with central axle disconnect you can turn it freely with the truck in park. Mine, four-wheel drive, is not engaged. And if we look towards the back of this first U-joint, you'll see a little indentation in the yoke that's holding that drive shaft, or U-joint together rather. And hopefully, let's see if I can get this going in there. Hopefully you can see, if I can get the light in there, that shiny fitting in there that you just barely make out. The reason why there's grease all the way around there is like I hit the lever as I was pulling out and she kind of splooged. Sexual joke there. It literally took about 2 pumps in order to get for me to hear grease oozing out the back side of that fitting, which I'm assuming the grease goes into that rubber bushing deal you can see between this U-joint and that second one, which is hiding behind this whole carrier yoke unit thing, whatever you want to call that. But yeah, with that fitting, that needle fitting on the grease gun, you can press right into that grease port right there and give her a couple shots and you're good to go. According to the owner's manual, it suggests doing it every oil change, so that's what I'm going to do. It's a little bit of a bummer that this is the only grease fitting underneath this entire truck, but oh well. Live in the time of non-serviceable parts, so once it wears out, you're just supposed to throw it in the trash and buy a new one, right? Or a brand new truck is what Chrysler's probably hoping, or every other manufacturer, because they don't make money if you don't buy trucks. So anywho, if you're trying to find that damn thing, which even for me which I kind of knew where it was, and even still had to poke around there, because of course that fitting wasn't shiny like that, it was all covered in dirt, so blended right in. If you're looking for that fitting, it's right in behind that U-joint. Kind of a pain in the ass to get to with this wiring loom right in the way, but oh well. Can be done. So hopefully that helps you guys out if you're trying to find this thing. Thanks for watching.